Anyway, let's crawl up here and take a look at the front of this engine. Guys, where's the fan? Over here is the fan assembly taken apart, and I'll show you what we found and how it goes back together. First thing we have is the sun gear. This is the replacement sun gear. This is the sun gear with the wear on the teeth. It's putting metal shavings in the oil. But this sun gear goes inside the spur gear assembly, which is here. There are 5 spur gears. Then all of this assembly goes inside here. There we go. Into this gear assembly. Then on the outside, we have the stator ring for the core or for the end tube. And then we have the fan hub. Each one of these slots fits a fan blade, the spinner cone, the blade retaining ring, and all 30 blades of the fan assembly. And each one of these holes is an attachment bolt. The attachment bolts have different size weights on them, and that's how we balance the fan. But the part we've been waiting for is that right there.
This is for entertainment purpose only. First thing to install is the sun gear and secure it to the turbine shaft. Then the spur gear assembly is installed. Then the last part of the planetary gear support hub assembly is installed. Next part to install is the core stator ring and the fan blade attachment hub assembly. The fan hub assembly is secured with an attachment nut. Then the fan blades are installed into the fan blade hub assembly and secured with the fan blade locking ring. Then the cone transition is installed along with the fan spinner cone. And there you have it. One TFE 731 fan assembly put together, ready to test run and vibration checks. $6,000. $7,000.
Well, that's it. Thank you for watching this Shadowjet video. Please like and subscribe and tune in again for more aerospace-related content. Bye for now.